Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is part 2 to this beautiful flower wall behind me. Today we'll be setting up a beautiful setup. I will include some balloons, some other supplies, and we're gonna just create and see what I can do with this beautiful wall. This wall is from rosemorning.com. I will leave a link for this wall in the description under the video. Also, if you would like to purchase this beautiful wall or any other walls from Rose Morning, you can always use my code ANNA for 10% off at checkout. Today, I am working with bunch of balloons from Garland. This is retro, white sand, and copper in different sizes. Let's do a quick close-up of all the colors that I'm planning to use, and I will explain why I decided to use these colors against this white wall. So the first color is mirror copper balloons. As I said, they're all Garland, and this color is absolutely gorgeous. It might not look pretty right now, but when you inflate, it looks absolutely different than in the bag. Next color will be retro white sand, again by Garland. If you love neutral colors, I highly suggest trying this color out. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, working with these two, let me explain why. I love to do this method with every wall that I am working with, just trying to stay very creative with color choices, not just choose green or white or something off-white, but I decided to base this color on this green over here. This green with brown on the leaves is sprinkled all around the wall, and they look absolutely beautiful. Actually, this was the first thing that caught my attention when I opened the box with the flower wall panels, and I immediately wanted to work with something brownish, something in that shade. So if we're gonna place one copper balloon, for example, in between the flowers like this color and the greenery, the brown color, will pop out even more. Love finding the unusual color in my walls and working off of that. I started using that very recently, and I've been loving pulling out those little tiny specks of beautiful colors out instead of using a color that is throughout the whole wall. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of balloons already inflated on my table. I am so excited to experiment today with 5-inch balloons. I will be using different sizes of balloons, not just 5-inch. I'll be using 24, 18, 11, 5-inch balloons, everything in the mix, but I will be focusing more on 5-inch balloons because I really want to try something different. I have regular 5-inch balloons and I have mini balloons like these. I made these out of 5-inch balloons. I'll show you how I made this a little bit later. With these guys over here, I simply inflated them with my Legenda inflator at 0.8 timer. I tied them into pairs, and 2 pairs combined into quads. Nothing extraordinary here, just 2 pairs combined together, right? So let's see how you can make these little minis. First things first, we need to set up our timer to 0.5. We will be inflating our balloons individually, so one 5-inch balloon on top, inflate, and tie a knot. One more time. Grab your balloon and pinch it in the middle, making sure that each side has approximately the same amount of air. Once you pinch it, twist one side. Grab that tail and wrap that tail around that twist. Okay, do the same to the second one. I have 2 pairs out of mini balloons. You crisscross them and intertwine together. shape your little balloons. And here you have it. I'm gonna keep on inflating and making mini quads like these. I don't think you want to see the whole process of it, so I'll just inflate a whole bunch and then I'll come back and show you how I made these mini garlands. So I'll be right back. To construct those mini balloon garlands, I am using a Lawn 260 balloon from Qualitix 260's Q. I decided to use a beige color because it's very close to copper and they would not stand out as much as a white color or any other bright color. So grabbing one end, going through the balloons and tying or tangling that end all around the balloons. Grabbing another quad and placing right on top, stretching that 260 and wrapping around the balloons a couple of times. Next one right on top, pressing, stretching, wrapping. And now instead of just wrapping on my latest quad, I'm going down to the previous one and wrapping that 260 around the bottom balloons as well, once or twice, just to keep the tension and tightness between balloons. Another one. Pushing, stretching, wrapping on top and the bottom. And when you're ready to finish, this one's a little bit too short, this end, I left it way too short. Then wrap that end around one of the balloons a few times and that 260 won't go anywhere. And here you have a mini balloon garland. I'll be repeating the same process what I did with this balloon garland with the rest of my quads. You guys, this is where I stopped inflating my balloons yesterday. This pile over here took me literally almost half a day to make. I inflated 605-inch balloons and that was a while. Let me tell you, if you're planning to do this, then make sure you have enough time before your event. So I inflated one bag of 11-inch copper and one bag of 12-inch white sand. For now, I inflated two 36-inch balloons, also some 24s, and I had some 18-inch balloons in copper. You guys, doing this, working with 5-inch balloons is so much fun. I'm telling you, this reminds me of painting. I am using rubber bands to attach these smaller balloons to the flower heads. So I'm simply grabbing a rubber band and over the flowers on my wall. And this is it. Already finished with all the balloons, and sometimes when you finish with balloons, it's very hard to string your fishing line over the backdrop and tie it. So here is another solution. Right to the backdrop, right there, very, very deep in flowers, I pinned a safety pin right here, straight to the back fabric. And now this safety pin will hold my sign. This is it, you guys. This is my final setup for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspiring, because it was for sure inspiring for me. These 5-inch balloons, they were worth sitting and blowing them and making minis out of 5-inch balloons and making a whole bunch of mini balloon garlands. Torturing my fingers was worth it for this gorgeous setup. I will be using this method of constructing more and more, like playing around with more 5-inch balloons and just exploring new shapes, new designs. Let me know if you guys will be trying this method of 5-inch balloons for your next install. Thank you so much, Rose Morning, for this beautiful, beautiful wall. I hope I did it justice. Also, I will link this neon sign, the chair, and a few other supplies that are used in this video in the description under this video. Go ahead and check it out. And again, for Rose Morning, you can use my code Anna for 10% off at checkout. Absolutely love the colors. I think they really fit into this setup. I hope this was inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more ideas and inspirational videos, ideas as well. And I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!